How to fix reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the reCAPTCHA not working issue on Google Chrome. So if you're facing this problem right now, don't worry. Just follow the steps I'm about to show you and you should be good to go. So now without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, completely close the Google Chrome from your phone, and once you're done with that, simply open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, tap on manage apps. And once you do that, on the new page, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Google Chrome. And from the result, simply tap on Chrome. And this will take you to the Chrome app settings where we can make a few important changes. Now here, simply tap on notification. And under the notification, make sure that the notifications are enabled. And also check that the sound and vibrations are turned on if needed. And with that, simply go back and tap on permissions. And here, make sure that your camera, location and microphone permissions are allowed because these are often required for reCAPTCHA to work properly. And with that, let's go back, and here you can simply reset the defaults and set the Google Chrome as your default browser if it is not selected as the default browser. And with that, again, simply go back and tap on storage. Now here, simply tap on clear data, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache to remove any temporary data that could be causing the issue. You can also check manage storage, but clearing the cache is usually enough. And now with that, just exit the settings and open the Google Chrome again and try loading the reCAPTCHA, and it should be working. And that's it. That's how you can fix reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.